Learning technology isn't just about watching videos, it's about gaining practical experience. That's why Cybrec includes Virtual Labs, fully integrated hands-on environments designed to let you learn by doing. Whether you're studying networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or artificial intelligence, every lab provides a dedicated environment where you can experiment, build, and explore without affecting your own computer or cloud account. Launch a network lab to configure routers, firewalls, or Linux servers in an isolated virtual environment. Or start a cloud lab and receive your own temporary environment for deploying applications, creating cloud resources, and completing real-world exercises. Every environment is created specifically for your lab session and automatically removed when you're finished, giving you a clean starting point every time. There are no shared environments, no complicated setup procedures, and no infrastructure to maintain. Simply launch a lab and start learning. Virtual labs are fully integrated into every supported course, allowing you to move seamlessly between lessons and practical exercises while following guided workbooks and real-world scenarios. Whether you're preparing for a certification, learning new technologies, or building practical AI skills, Cybrec Virtual Labs provide the experience that transforms theory into real understanding. Welcome to hands-on learning. Welcome to Cybrec.